Uses of hydrogen gas. 1. Hydrogenation / hardening of unsaturated vegetable oils to saturated fat / margarine. When hydrogen is passed through unsaturated compounds in presence of nickel catalyst and about 150 degrees Celsius, they become saturated. Most vegetable oil is unsaturated liquids at room temperature. They become saturated and hard through hydrogenation. 2. In weather forecast balloons. Hydrogen is the lightest known gas. Meteorological data is collected for analysis by sending hydrogen-filled weather balloons to the atmosphere. The data collected is then used to forecast weather conditions. 3. In the Haber process for the manufacture of ammonia. Hydrogen is mixed with nitrogen in presence of iron catalyst to form ammonia gas. Ammonia gas is a very important raw material for manufacture of agricultural fertilizers. 4. In the manufacture of hydrochloric acid. Limited volume / amount of hydrogen is burned in excess chlorine gas to form hydrogen chloride gas. Hydrogen chloride gas is dissolved in water to form hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in pickling / washing metal surfaces. 5. As rocket fuel. Fixed proportions of hydrogen and oxygen when ignited explode violently, producing a lot of energy / heat. This energy is used to power / propel a rocket to space. 6. In oxyhydrogen flame for welding. A cylinder containing hydrogen when ignited in pure oxygen from a second cylinder produces a flame that is very hot. It is used to cut metals and welding.